I'm going to have a look at the global indices. I'm going to start off with the Dow. So there's no doubt in terms of the price action that it's quite bullish. The issue is that at the same time, there's no doubt that it's struggling with these levels of resistance. All right, so this is the principal issue, is that in terms of trading opportunities, it's very dangerous because I don't have a lot of room to take profits before we kind of approach, at least before price action approaches a resistance level. And this is really my concern. It's kind of similar with the S&P 500. Again, that price action on the monthly is bullish, price action on the weekly is somewhat bullish. On the daily, we have an uptrend, high lows, high highs, but we're very close to these levels of resistance where we've been knocked back before, and therefore that kind of danger of me taking a trade close to these areas of resistance is kind of dangerous. The Russell showing similar resistance that I can find at the moment, but also a bullish candle close to this level of support. So the picture starts to change when I look at some of the other charts. Going to the FTSE, for example, yes, an uptrend there on the daily, finding off a level of support, but overall the monthly and the weekly not looking as bullish as they were a couple of weeks ago. Here we've got the DAX, the Germany 30, finding some resistance where it finished on Friday. Okay, so also that monthly looking nice and bullish. This implies to me that there are going to be some attempts to push a little bit higher this week, but I'm very cautious, and I don't necessarily expect them to succeed. In other words, they may be knocked back again. Looking at the Hang Seng as well here, nice bullish, which could actually become a higher low. So if this does succeed and then end up breaking through the levels of resistance, that will have my attention. But in terms of trading opportunities, I'm very, very cautious, and I don't have expectations at this point in time. Having a look at the ASICs just to finish up on that. Also a nice little bullish candle off that previous level of resistance, and also a nice little bullish candle on the buy zone. But again, we still technically have previous highs to break on that. So there's a real mixture of that plus combined with how close we are to historical levels. I'm just extra cautious this week, but I am looking at seeing how high it can push itself.